In this tutorial, we will show you how to add textures to 3D models in Blender 3D. First, let's start clean using the default 3D cube. From the top right, enable Material Preview. This will let you preview the texture in real time without rendering. From the bottom, select the Material tab. Press the yellow dot near Base Color, then select Image Texture from the list. Press Open, then select the image file you want to add as texture to your model. As you can see, the texture is incorrectly wrapped around the object. To fix this, enter the UV editing mode from the top menu. From the top right, enable Material Preview again. On the left, you will see the UV editor. Press Scale, then click and drag inside the circle inwards or outwards until the texture is correctly aligned on the object. Now the 3D model will be rendered with its texture. All done. Please subscribe for more.